Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, of course. If you aren't new to my channel, well then welcome back. Okay, so first, whatever you do, stop. Make sure that you press the like button, the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and press the notification button, of course, so that way you know whenever I put out a new video. Okay, so today what we're going to do is I am going to rate 4 books, all by my favorite author, Rick Riordan, of course, from 1 to 10. Okay, so that may seem a little out of the ordinary, but trust me, these books are amazing, and if you guys read them, you will love them. And, of course, there will be more to the series of these books. It's not just one of these, it's not just one and done. There will be more. There is more of this series. So, first, let's get started. The first one that we'll do is Magnus Chase and the Gods of Asgard. It is the first book, obviously, The Sword of Summer. And this book, I definitely would at least give a 9. One, because it starts off very, very slow, but then, here guys, so you can see it better. It starts off very slow, but then once it starts going, it starts to get better. Next, The Trials of Apollo. Okay, as this is the first book, book 1, The Hidden Oracle. If you guys don't know, this book is based on Norse mythology. This one is based on Greek and Roman mythology. So this book also starts off kind of slow, and it kind of gets you out of your focus a little bit. But then once you start going, it gets better and better. I give this one a 9 too. Now it's the Kane Chronicles. This is the Red Pyramid, Book 1 by Rick Riordan. Okay, this is based on Egyptian mythology. But as you can see here, these books are kind of thick. So you guys gotta make sure you are very committed to these books because they are very thick, but it gets better. I definitely give this one a 10. This is very climatic, but it's like almost like if you saw a rainbow. It starts off kind of small, but then it goes and gets to a very climatic point, which there's a lot of action, and I think it's really good. And the last one is Percy Jackson's Greek Heroes. This is not in a series. This does have another companion book. This is a companion book. See, it says this is a companion book, but that's okay because there's another one to the series, and that other one, because there's not really a series, the other one will be Percy Jackson's Greek Heroes, which I'll do next time. Okay, so this book explains all of the 13 most popular gods. It explains some of the minor gods, but not too many. This mostly explains the Olympians, the Greek Olympians, the Greek gods. I would definitely recommend this if you are just getting into Percy Jackson, and if you're just getting into Greek mythology, because this will definitely help you a lot and explain the gods' past. I definitely also would give this one let's say a 10 or a 9. I'm in between about it, but I definitely say it's in between a 10 and a 9. Well, that is all for today. Make sure that you guys tell me if you guys like this, or if you guys would like for me to do another book. We have to put your comments on my Instagram page, and my Instagram page will be in the link below. But I really, really hope you guys like this one, and maybe I'll do more book reviews in the future. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe!